These are the sensory items that you're gonna wanna put on your holiday wish list. Hey you guys, this is Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and today's video is a holiday gift guide that has a giveaway that's sponsored by Learning Resources. Throughout the month of November, we are doing holiday gift guides where I'm showing you some of the top things that are on my list for kids, and we're also doing a giveaway in each and every single video. In today's video, you get to pick the one that you would like if you were to win. We're focusing on all of the sensory things in today's video, so let me show you some of these goodies.
Let's start off with these sensory trio of fidget tubes, ages 3 and up, and these just in the package look so much fun. With these, we're working on different senses. So first one we have here is this one, and this one is the sound fidget tube. As it goes through all these little balls within the tube, they make different noises as they hit the different textures within the sensory tube. Let me put my microphone so you can hear it. In addition to that, they have these textured tops. This one has like little divots along the bottom and the top of the tubes, and they actually twist and click. So you can get that sensorial sound along with it. Both sides do it. And they're a great shape too for holding on to. Next we have our sight sensory tube. That's this one here in the orange. And this one has all kinds of really pretty glitter flecks inside of here. So you can watch those glitter flecks swirl around. Very mesmerizing. And then we have our touch fidget tube, which has textured tops along here on the top and on the bottom. And inside we have the sand that flows down and that goes through a couple of different spots in here. Also makes a really good sound too. Sensory tubes are made to build and engage your sensory skills, so it's a great way to fidget, but also use for calming. You're engaging all of your senses, like listening and watching the beads fall and everything swirl. And I just noticed in this one, there's also little smiley face glitter inside of here too, so you can watch little faces swirl around inside of there. I would drop these into a purse or handbag, take them with you on the go, and have some fun fidget sensory tubes all in one. This is the Smores Break sensory fidget activity set for ages 3 and up. And I can already tell you, look, a little cinnamon roll pops out, how cute this is going to be. So let me open it up so we can take a look. There are 19 pieces in here, and there's 3 ways to fidget. They're saying that you can squish things, spin things, and press things together. And then there's some activity cards in here I'll go over in a second, and even a feelings poster. So let's look at our little s'more here that I just took apart. So it does come apart. You can put it together and you can actually squish it like you would a s'mores. And the little marshmallow squishes in the middle, which is really, really cute. The cinnamon bun is a push and pull. So we pull it and then we can push it down. Also has a really cute smiley face on it. And then our little cup of, I guess, cocoa in here can spin around. So the little whipped cream spins up and then you can spin it back down. Actually, it spins really fast when you put it down. Go down really fast. And then we have this feelings poster. Now the feelings poster has 9 different emotions on it, and it gives expressions for each one of the feelings. There's happy and confident, excited, so it actually creates some conversations. Then you have 15 double-sided calming activity cards that are all put together here with this hook, and it gives you activity ideas. So this one says, look outside, take a deep breath, and point to 3 things you see. And it has the other side as place your hand on your heart and feel it beat for happy thoughts. Trace and breathe. This is where you can take your finger and move it around here for calming breathing exercises. And other activities in here that are really great at building mindfulness. Look around, find things that are in these shapes, do 10 jumping jacks. Doing activities like this before you do a more focused activity like reading or practicing writing is really beneficial to get the wiggles out. So lots of different ideas within these cards. You could put these all together to help. I especially love the squishing s'mores. That is really cute. This is the message maker recordable button. This is really cool. They say it's great for families because everybody can get involved in it and you can let your kids know what you're thinking about them. So you're going to record things like daily reminders, affirmations, and other love notes on it. And this one is in the shape of a sun, and you just have to add some batteries in. And when you push the sun down, that's when it's going to play the recorded message. You get some instructions here that shows you how to record it. So I put batteries in our little sun here, and then on the top there's a little button that says you're supposed to hold it down and wait for a beep. And then you can record sound for up to 20 seconds or even music. And then when you're done, let go of the yellow button. And now you should be able to push the sun to hear it. You can record sound or even music for up to 20 seconds. And after you're done, you just release the yellow button.
And you can do that over and over again, or even your child can do it and leave messages for you.
Here's a really fun one. This one is called Cool Down Cubes for ages 4 and up, and it's another sensory fidget set. And they're in the shape of cubes, and they got really cute expressions on them. 5 pieces in here. And these are to promote calming. I love that it comes with a little tray. See a little tray that you can just set them all in there. You can put those on a shelf. That would be really cool for some shelf work. There's also a little guide in here too. Don't want to forget that. And this is meant for relaxing, reflecting, and a way to calm down. So we got 4 different ones in here. This one is a squeeze one. It's a little foam one that you can squeeze in different ways. Each side has a different face on it, not like a stress ball, but a stress cube. This one is a spinner maze inside, and there's 2 different mazes, one on each side, where you have these beads and you get them through the maze to fall down to the other side so you can do that maze. Something like this really focuses on concentration and taking your mind off things. This one has multiple beads on each side, and you have to focus on getting them in the correct holes in order to get all of them, if I can do it, all the way to the other side. And so you can do it again by turning it over and repeating the process. And this one is a spinner. So we have different emotions on each side, and you can spin each section. There's 3 different sections to the emotion that you want to make and fidget that way. Of course, one hand isn't the best. Here we go. I love that this is all in blue tones and of course purple, a very calming kind of set to put together. Great addition to your sensory corners. The last video I did about sensory items, you guys told me that you have calming corners in your house, and a lot of these items would be great to add into there or to switch out.
And now for the giveaway details. First of all, make sure you are subscribed to the Purple Alphabet YouTube channel, and then head over to the giveaway link to officially enter to win. In today's video, you get to pick your item if you should win. So anything I showed you in this video is up for grabs. You must be 18 years of age or older and have a US postal address, and I'll be announcing the winners in the video after Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna do all the prize winners on that day, so make sure to watch to see if you won. You guys, make sure that you share this video with all of your friends. I couldn't do it without you guys. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.